Well, hello Park Primary, and here we are at our final assembly for this half term. Now today's a little bit different because it's Friday and you're all at home watching this because the teachers are in school today where we are doing our lessons. We are having a teacher training day, so you are watching this from home. Now, we have had a wonderful half term and we want to give a huge thank you and shout out to everybody who has worked so hard using their learning powers in their lessons, being the best learners and park community you could be. Well done. You deserve a week off and an amazing break and an amazing rest, and let's hope the sun stays shining on us. So let's think about what is happening in today's assembly. Well, we're going to have to go over to our school counsellors and hear what they've got to share with us. We are going to, maybe we'll do our stars of the week, and we might even have some book reviews. But before all that, I don't know if you know this, but I love maths. So I want to tell you about something very special that's happened in Maths in Park Primary School very recently. We had a visit from a TV crew from BT Sport, a sports channel on TV. And they came to film some of our TT rock stars playing challenge games against some celebs. We played a game against Reshmin Chowdhury, who is a very, very famous sports journalist and broadcaster, and she battled some of our Year 5 heroes. Let's have a look at how that went.
From the world of sport and entertainment and the rock stars from schools across the country in a times tables head-to-head challenge.
This is Park Primary School, London!
It's Reshmin Chowdhury versus Park Primary School.
Hello, Park Primary School. So I'm told there are a few maths legends in your class. I reckon it's time we had a bit of a competition. Should we get it on?
Great stuff. Year 5s, we are so proud of you to show that confidence on camera, and playing against celebrities and in talking about your math skills made us super proud. Well done. There may be more to come from BT Sports, but for now, if you want to see all of that edition of All Stars versus Rock Stars, there is a link in the notes under this YouTube link. So check out the link in there. But for now, school counsellors!
Your school counsellor are here to make things better, so speak to them. Use your voice, please. We're going to the kitchen and we're gonna tell you about something we're gonna do. We'll tell you when we go there. Lot of goes. Welcome to the dinner hall. I'm pretty sure you know we eat here. We got some great news. After the holidays, the school council will be meeting at the kitchen stand. We're going to taste some new delicious foods. If you got some new foods that you want to add to the school, you can tell the school councillors. And don't make it too unhealthy. There'll be a new menu. Have you noticed in the corridors there are music playing? If you have any music requests, you can ask Miss Parsons. This was just for artistic purposes. Do not dance on the corridor. Around the school, you might notice plants growing. If this is going to work, we need to do the right things. Here are the school counsellors to tell you what to do. The right thing to do is to make sure they're watered and cared for. They're probably not vegetables, so don't eat them. Don't pick them. Or stamp on them, unless it says freely stamp. No, so you're not allowed to stamp on any plants. In Critchley Corner, you should respect it most of all. And when you finish reading your books, you should put them this way so you know which book it is. If you see it looking messy, then why not tidy it? Tidy, 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 tidy.
Tidy, 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 tidy.
If If you want our school to be clean, why not pick it up and put it in the bin?
The bin are used for putting litter and rubbish in. Use them.
Yeah.
And if it's hands up, you should stop what you're doing. And if you see someone's coat, please put it in the lost property.
Thank you so much, school counsellors. What wonderful representatives you are for all of our pupils at school. And I love all of the ideas you're coming up with to help make our school community a better place to be for everybody. Keep up the great work. Okay, now it's Stars of the Week. We're going to start off in early years and Key Stage 1, I think, this week. So let's have a little look and see who has been superstars. So, in Mexia class, well done, Sophia. Tenzing class, it was Ahmed. And in Coleman class, it was Asia A. Well done. In reception, we had Isla in Jemison class, Ryan in MacArthur class, and Malika in Seacole. Well done, our reception stars. In year 1, it was Amelia in Aldrin class, Jordan in Attenborough class, and Fatima in Marco Polo class. Well done, our year 1 stars. And in year 2, Miss Osborne said it's Alex for Einstein class. In Marie Curie, it is Ronak, and in Pasteur, it's Amelia. That's 2 Amelias who are stars this week. What a star name that is. Come back in a few minutes and we will see who our Key Stage 2 stars are in a mo. But for now, we have some messages for some other teachers. Miss Burnett, Mr. Sansom, and whoever else wants to give us a little message. Over to y'all.
Hi everyone. The sign for this week is park. Maybe you could say, I go to Park Primary School. Or, during half term, you might be going to the park. See how you can use our sign this week.
3.
Sports leaders! We're uni sports leaders. We're going to run sports and a new cricket net.
Hi there, boys and girls. Just want to announce the winners for the Walk to School Week. Well done. Some really, really amazing photos taken last week. Really, really good dressing up. So I'm going to jump straight to it. We're going to go have the EYFS winners. We're going to have the Key Stage 1 winners and then the Key Stage 2 winners. So, EYFS, the winner is, drum roll. Oh, a bit of background noise there. The EYFS winner is MacArthur. Woo! Drum roll please for Key Stage 1. The winner is Aldrin. And finally, the winner for Key Stage 2 is, and I had nothing to do with this, my old class, Malala. Excellent, well done. You will each be receiving one of these trophies, which you get to keep for the remainder of the year, and it's your job to try and retain this trophy next year. Well done, everyone. Brilliant Walk to School Week.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Sansom and sports leaders and Miss Burnett for helping us all be better at using our signs to communicate. Next up, we have Key Stage 2 Stars of the Week. Fingers crossed I am going to win one of these weeks. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, in year 3, well done, Ikra. In Da Vinci, in Galileo, in Naya, and in Edison, Danielis. In Berners-Lee, congratulations to Mariam. Sarah for Hawking class, and Ashraful in Brunel. Year 5 stars so far, we have Anika in Rosa Parks, and then in year 6, it's Adam in Mandela class, Yasmin in Malala class, and in Pankhurst, it's Yusuf I. So well done, all of our stars this week. Okay, we all know how much we love reading, so we want to hear some more amazing book reviews. So over to you, reviewers.
What you do when you don't have a book. So you should, anytime when you see a book, you should look at the front cover, read the blurb, and you'll be finding the right book you need. Hey guys, welcome back. I was about to say welcome back to my channel. So I got this book called The Long Walk Home. I saw the front cover and it looks really good. So I'm going to read the blurb. When bad mothers decided to tell the family to their family home. Brad thinks his parents will never get back together again. His mum knew his friend Jerry looked very happy with this. It's not as easy as Brad thought, and getting out of the forest means a long walk home. So I really from the book of the cover, and you must read this book. But if I walk back home, I wouldn't do it because my mum wouldn't let me. So you should read this book, and yeah, bye.
Good.
Mr. Stink by David Williams. Hello, this is my review. When I say people should read it, it is because it teaches you how to make good friendship. The genre is friendship. The theme is helping people. The summary is a little, not so much, so you guys know the whole story. Chloe is the loneliest girl until she meets an old tramp, Mr. Stink. Chloe helps Mr. Stink, but what does Mr. Stink do next? The author, David Williams, illustrated by Quentin Blake. If you like the story, make sure you try Billionaire Boy. It teaches you of friendship. And if you guys can't find this book, come to Gandhi class and you will see Mr. Stink.
Hello, I want to share this book with you. It's called Agent Zaber, and I really like this book because it's like an agent, and like I also want to be an agent, but like I am kind of like a ninja because my mom says I'm a ninja. I'm on like chapter 14. Chapter 14 is called Gotcha, and it's like really nice because all the characters are like, I like them, and Mariam is Zaber's cousin, and also Mariam is in the school and she's my cousin. This is Zaber, this is Ali, and this is Poppy, and on the back it shows everything they need to do. So like location, the Royal Star Hotel, event, Samira and Tanvir's Mendi party, mission with the help of Poppy, best friend, and Ali, little brother. I love this book because it's so fun, and I only have like a few chapters left. I love it.
Thank you so much to all our book reviewers. Remember, if you would like to have a turn sharing your favourite books, please let your class teacher know, and we can film you for our next term's assemblies. So that's it for now, everybody. Our half term is finished. Once more, thank you for all of your hard work and excellent commitment to learning and friendship and our park's values over the last 6 weeks. 6 weeks, and we have 7 weeks to go. Have a lovely week. In the meantime, we will see you back at school on Monday, June the 7th. So until then, stay safe, have a great time, and bye! I miss you! Bye! Have a nice week! So long! Bye! Come back! Come back! Bye-bye!